Penguins. They come in many different shapes, sizes, and colors. They're known for living in the cold of Antarctica, walking with endearing, wobbly toughness. Although people usually don't think of it this way, Antarctica is a desert. And penguins live in a lot of other desert regions too. In fact, they populate Antarctica, Africa, Argentina, Chile, Peru, New Zealand, and Australia. All in all, there are 18 species of them. Life ain't always easy for these little guys. Over half of them are on the endangered species list. With so much power in our hands, what are we going to do? This is the journey taken on by the International Union for Conservation of Nature's Penguin Specialist Group. The IUCN Penguin Specialist Group for short. They make recommendations to reduce threats to penguins, and they address problems in penguin conservation, such as population trends, climate change, creating and maintaining marine protected areas, mismanagement of fisheries, and oil spills. They're kind of like a superhero team, except, well, they protect penguins.
IUCN, protecting penguins, yeah.
One main obstacle for penguins right now is finding enough food. They really like eating small fish, like sardines and these anchovies. But it just so happens that humans use a lot of them to feed chickens and salmon. Another problem penguins are facing is climate change, particularly increased rainfall. If you noticed, penguins don't tend to like regions with a lot of rain. This is because chicks' feathers are meant for warmth, not waterproofing. When they get wet, this can be fatal for the chicks. This takes us to the Galapagos National Parks, home to these flightless cormorants, Sally Lightfoot crabs, crazy cool marine iguanas, and, of course, the Galapagos penguin, the rarest penguin in the world. They are especially important to protect. There are only a few thousand of them left, and their habitat is mainly restricted to only 2 islands, the Isabella and the Fernandina. This team from the Center for Ecosystem Sentinels is building nests for the penguins. These penguins usually nest and breed in shady lava tubes, but these are eroding. But the great news is that these nest sites that are being built are already being used. But in Argentina, this poor Magellanic penguin isn't so lucky, and he's overheating due to the lack of shade. But there's hope for penguins. With the help of people around the world who care about penguins, the IUCN can help these birds spread their wings and fly, metaphorically. So, what can we do to help? Well, penguins benefit from revenue produced by tourism. Or we can eat anchovies instead of feeding them to our chickens and salmon. Or we can just go to the zoo. By getting excited about penguins and wanting to learn more about them, we can help conserve them in the wild by supporting the IUCN Penguin Specialist Group's motto, Wild Penguins in Perpetuity.